very welcome development as we note the growing importance of open source software solutions globally. We see the growth in the use of open source in business, civil society, and the public sector. The Linux operating system and related derivatives or distros are deployed in a wide range of environments ranging from defense systems to the schoolroom. An increasing number of middleware deployments, including web and application servers, have boosted the TEI or total economic impact of open source solutions. Virtualization and other new techniques in computer science are being implemented using open source software. Desktop deployments are also increasing, with Ubuntu, the African desktop bundle from Canonical of South Africa, proving popular. Major proprietary vendors are deploying blended solutions, incorporating their technology with open source solutions. This is a clear indication of the reliability and robust nature of open source software solutions that is a result of collaborative coding within the framework of standardized development. The issue now is how we can position our countries to optimize the use of open source solutions. Africa is not well represented in active growth of open source initiatives. In fact, as of April this year, only 9 out of 350 globally recognized open source initiatives are in Africa, according to the Center for Strategic and International Studies. In Ghana, the Ministry of Communications has been very active through the Ghana-India Kofi Annan Center of Excellence in ICT, which has a close relationship with FOSFA, the Free Software and Open Source Foundation for Africa, and which this year alone has hosted 3 major international open source meetings and many more training events. In fact, through its open source online learning platform, the staff here support training on open source solutions throughout Africa. A number of Ghana's key government agencies benefit from this support. Also, our National IT Authority, NITA, Director General is here, has supported the development of open standards and interoperability frameworks that impact on open source development. Africans need to work together to advance our ownership of technology. It is for this reason that we are extremely pleased that the Ghana-India Kofi Annan Center of Excellence in ICT is hosting this meeting, and that this initiative is receiving the support of institutions throughout ECOWAS. The capacity building dimension of open source technologies can make a real difference in the speed with which we can achieve our technology goals through innovation. We need to reduce dependency on technologies that have not been developed for our needs and working environment. As governments plan for expenditure on ICT in the context of tighter budgetary restrictions, it is important that we have a better understanding of the possibilities that open source offers to deliver better value for money in e-government, including critical areas such as education, health, and agriculture. This is no doubt one of the reasons that this meeting is supported by the ECOWAS Commission. I am confident that given the caliber of representation of the high-level advisory panel, we should make rapid progress in making open source work for all citizens of ECOWAS. Therefore, my expectations are high, and I would like to highlight the following. We need to raise public awareness of the use of open source, to build capacity both at the individual and institutional level, to promote localization and research and development on open source across our countries and between our countries, to systematically examine issues of vendor lock-in interoperability and total cost of ownership, to document our experience in software implementation for proprietary and open source software deployments, as well as those instances where the two approaches are blended. We are pragmatists, not fanatics. Our focus must be on the solutions that best serve the needs of our citizens. This important observatory function must be complemented by a repository where we can find tried and tested open source solutions. My final challenge to you is to ensure that the work of the Open Source Resource Center, West Africa, promotes collaboration between our software companies so that our software companies can grow, and that we create jobs for our talented young people. I wish you every success. Now, I just want to say something very brief, and I've said this in other fora. We have gone through the liberation struggle where we wanted to control our political future. That has become a reality, even though there are problems with it. There's a new liberation struggle across our continent, and this is the liberation struggle to liberate knowledge for the use of our citizens. It is a struggle in which we all have roles to play. This high-level panel has roles to play. Software engineers have roles to play. And certainly our media have roles to play. Collaboratively and working together, we have to wrestle our people away from ignorance and position our populations to take full advantage of technology, innovation, all to the benefit of our economies and our people. I thank you for your attention.